Hurricane Erick makes a landfall in Mexico as major Category 3 storm. Erick made landfall in extreme weather western Osaka is just east of Punta Maldonado with estimated maximum sustained winds nearing 125 miles per hour. The National Hurricane Center said. Hurricane Erick made landfall early Thursday on the Pacific coast of Mexico's major Category 3 storm, the National Hurricane Center said, and it made landfall around 6 a.m. Center Time in extreme western Osaka, just as east of Punta Maldonado, with estimated maximum sustained winds of 120 miles per hour. It had rapidly intensified from a Category 1 hurricane yesterday to an extremely dangerous Category 4 storm with sustained winds of 146 miles per hour. As you can see on the hurricanes.gov, the actual where it came and flew by in the western part of Mexico, and the graphic. A major hurricane defined as Category 3 or higher, wind speeds at least 111 miles per hour. The storm is moving northwest at nearly 9 miles per hour. The Hurricane Center said it's in its 7 a.m. Eastern Time update, and the center of the hurricane is forecast to move inland over southern Mexico throughout the day, and Erick is forecast rapidly weaken over mountains of Mexico and dissipate Thursday night or early Friday, the Hurricane Center said. And Erick will produce 8 to 12 inches of rainfall with maximum totals of 16 inches across the Osaka and Guerrero states, which will lead life-threatening flooding and mudslides, the Hurricane Center said. And destructive winds will also lash out near Erick's core, and dangerous, life-threatening storm surge is expected to produce coastal flooding. As the storm moves south on approach, late Wednesday, Erick's projected to path crept south closer to the resort city of Puerto Escondido in Osaka State, and centered on a sparsely populated stretch of a coastline between Oaxacan Resort and Acapulco to the northwest. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum said in a video message Wednesday night of all activities in the region was suspended, and she urged people to stay in their homes and to move to shelters if they live in low-lying areas. Waves are crashing into Esplanade Puerto Escondido by nightfall, swamping wooden floating fish boats that had been pulled up for safety, and the beach disappeared under pounding waves and rising tide and already reached the interiors of some western front